Setting up Auto-Debit on your YCS account is quick, simple, and hassle-free. Say goodbye to monthly reminders and manual payments. With YCS Auto-Debit, life gets simpler. You'll save time, no need to set reminders or log in each month. Your payments will always be on time. Budgeting is easier with automatic payments. You'll avoid service interruptions and stay connected. Plus, no more late fees, saving you money every month. Setting up Auto-Debit is easier than you think. Activate Auto-Debit in a few simple steps. Log into your YCS account. Go to the billing settings section. Add your payment method. Confirm and activate Auto-Debit, and that's it. Enjoy peace of mind and focus on what really matters, running your hotel. If you need any further help, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you for choosing Yanal Cloud Solution.